Hi, everyone. This is a cinematic transparent text effect in Canva, and today I'll show you exactly how to make it. Alright, let's get started. Okay, on your Canva page, go to Elements, and in the search bar, type Jungle. Head over to Photos, and pick one that looks bright and detailed. I'm choosing this jungle photo with a dinosaur. Looks pretty cool, right? Now click the three dots and set the image as your background. Next, add your text. Type your word. Here, I'll type jungle. Then change the font. Type 210 in the search bar and scroll down until you find 210 black box. Perfect. Now resize your text and place it right in the center of your design. Now, let's make it cinematic. Go to Elements, add a rectangle, and change its color to black. Resize it so it covers the entire image above the text. Then duplicate it and move it down to cover the bottom of the text. Select all elements, including your text. Then lower the transparency to your liking. For me, around 47 to 49% looks perfect. You'll notice where the rectangles overlap the text, it'll look darker. So just adjust a bit until it looks clean and balanced. And here's a bonus. You can also use this exact same technique for videos, not just photos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next Canva text effect video. And tell me in the comments, what other text effect should I create next? See you in the next video, and have a great day.